Welcome to the Year 3-4 unit on addition and subtraction. This is day 1. The overall aim for this unit is to know how to set out summers accurately, to add and subtract numbers, to work out missing number questions, and to solve word problems systematically. The objectives of day 1 are as follows. I can set out my sums in the correct columns. I can also add 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers without carrying. I can even add 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers with carrying. Some vocabulary for this unit. Column addition. This is where an add sum is set out in columns. Place value is really important with column addition. You have to make sure the numbers shown are written under the correct column headings. Carrying. When you have added two numbers together and they're greater than 10, then you carry the 10 over into the next column. So, let's have a go at the first question. I have the numbers 426 and I'm going to add 42 to that. The first part of this question is actually setting out the numbers in the correct columns, making sure they're underneath what they should be. So here I have the hundreds, the tens and the ones, and you can clearly see they are all underneath the correct headings. Now I'm going to add these numbers together. We always start with the ones column here. I've got 6 ones and 2 ones. I'm going to add them together. The 6 add 2 is 8. I move across to the tens column. The 20 add 40 is 60. 400 add nothing is 400. So my answer is 468. Let's try another one. Take a pause in the video and you have a little go first. So once again, I've clearly made sure my number is in the correct headings. The ones column, the tens column and the hundreds column. Let's start here again at the ones. 3 add 5 equals 8. 5 tens and 3 tens are 8 tens. 3 hundreds and 100 is 400. 488. So we're going to try this next question. I've got 246. I'm going to add 28 to it. First, I'll make sure that all my numbers are under their correct columns. My ones, my tens, and my hundreds. I then start in the ones column. I have 6 add 8. Now 6 ones add 8 ones equals 14. That is too many to have in the ones column. So I leave the ones I have, which are 4. And I carry this 10 underneath the tens column. I then move across to the tens column. 4 tens add 2 tens, add the 1 10 down here is 7 tens. I move across to the hundreds and I only have 200 here. The 274. Let's try another one. 373, and I'm going to add 65 to it. I start in the ones column. 3 add 5 is 8. I move across to the tens column. I've got 7 tens and 6 tens shown over here. Now that together makes 130. and 130 too many to write in the tens column. So I leave the 3 tens here and I move the 100 underneath. I now add up my hundreds. 300 add 100 is 400. Let's try a harder one. You take a pause in the video first and have a go yourself. Okay then, let's try it. 8 ones add 5 ones is 13. So I need to leave the units and carry the 10. I move to the tens column. 8 tens add 4 tens add 1 10 is another 13. So I leave the 3 tens here and I move the 100 over. Move to the hundreds column. 200 add 900 add 100 is 1200. So I leave the hundreds and I carry the 1000. I add the thousands up. 3000 add 1000 add 1000 is 5000. How did you get on? You try these now for yourself. So take a pause in the video and check out the answers in a minute. These are the answers. I wonder how you got on. Now have a go at the worksheets for day 1.